The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Clarion, Forest, Jefferson, and Venango. Effective until 2:20 p.m., the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Venango County, in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Jefferson County, in west central Pennsylvania, northern Clarion County, in west central Pennsylvania, central Forest County, in northwestern Pennsylvania. Until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dianesta, or 13 miles northeast of Knox, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Marionville, Dianesta, Siegel, Freiburg, Fisher, Liebert, Clarington, Clear Creek State Park, Cook Forest State Park. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-62-1988 to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.